Winston, I love you. Do I smell like other dogs? Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Nom Nom. I am Annette if you are new here. It is Friday again. It is Fab Friday again. Today I'm getting fabulous. We're doing another Valentine's Day look. This one will hopefully go much better than the last one. I'm not doing any first impressions. I am only using stuff that I know works. Cause goodness gracious, we are going out in public today. So I want to just do a simple but fabulous pink look today. So I'm gonna throw some tape on my eyes because that seems to be what you do for Valentine's Day makeup this year anyway. And then we'll zoom right in and get started. Okie dokie. We've got tape on and I've already blended out some concealer on my lids. So now I'm just going to start out by setting that with the usual. Right, now I'm gonna do my first transition, the same as I always do, again with the creamy shade right underneath the super light shade. Instead of just staying in my crease, I'm actually gonna take this one all over the lid and up through the crease. Alright, so the next transition color, I'm gonna go into my Pro palette here and I'm going to use the baby pink in the crease, and I might mix it with some of this purple here, and I'm going to use my Vasanti contour brush and go right into the crease with that. So that gave me just a little bit of a violet hue, not fully what I was hoping for. So let's make this a little more bright. I'm going to use dark pink just lightly. That's what I wanted. Take my transition blender, just work that up here. I'm gonna go in with my crown crease brush. I'm gonna take this sort of mauve color here. This is a blush. I'm gonna use that to darken up my corners just a little bit. This is still not quite dark enough for me, so I'm gonna take a chance here and I'm gonna go into this deep shimmery purple and I'm gonna mix that with the mauve a little bit and we're gonna darken that up even more. Okay, I'm going to take a dampened packing brush and I'm gonna go into this pearlescent rosy pink here, and that's gonna be our lid. So for inner corner and my brow, I'm gonna go into the white side of this Hard Candy Duo in Blind Date, and then I'm gonna throw on a bit of liner and we're gonna use the same pot from last week, which is the brown with the gold tints. I'm gonna go in with the Stila Huge lashes. Peel this tape off. Okay, so that is the finished eyelids. I'm gonna do a bit more. I'm gonna get my brows on and my face base off camera and we will come back and touch everything up. Okay, we're good. So I'm going to take my crown angled brush and I'm gonna go into this light shimmery pink and I'm gonna take that under the waterline, under the lower lash line. I'm going to go back to the white in the Hard Candy Duo. I'm gonna get a good bit on my finger because I want this to be bright AF. And I'm gonna just tap that in here and up here. Don't worry, we're not keeping it this way. I'm gonna actually take my highlighting brush, get a teensy weensy itty bitty bit of the rose gold highlighter on the ends, just a tiny bit, not a lot, and then blend out that highlight we just put on. If this seems a little extra, it's because it is. That is so much bright, oh my god. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome in rose gold. Get that all up on the brush and highlight the crap out of my face. Get enough. I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. And somehow I still want more. Oh, I can see you. Okay, so we're all lit up. Now I'm gonna go in with blush, and I'm going to use the Revlon help. Tickled Pink, a fluffy bronzing brush. Probably shouldn't have worn a white shirt today. And I'm gonna take that just under my highlight, really lightly. If you'll notice, I did not bronze today. Pinking it up. And lastly, for lips, we're going to do the Make Up Forever in Artist Neutral. So we've got our finished Valentine's Day look. I hope you enjoyed this pink smoky eye. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more, subscribe to my channel.